Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the ORICO Industrial SSD, a 2TB M.2 NVMe drive designed for serious performance and rock-solid reliability. This isn't your average SSD. ORICO is pitching this as an industrial-grade solution, meaning it's built to withstand demanding workloads and harsh conditions. First impressions are strong. The drive features an innovative heatsink, which is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures, especially in high-performance scenarios like gaming or heavy data processing. ORICO claims read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes/s, thanks to its PCIe 4.0 interface. That's seriously fast, and it should translate to lightning-quick boot times, application loading, and file transfers. But what truly sets this SSD apart is its focus on reliability. ORICO highlights rigorous multi-level testing, a mean time between failures, MTBF, exceeding 1.5 million hours, and a low raw bit error rate, BER. These are all indicators of a drive built to last, making it a great choice for industrial PCs, enterprise applications, or anyone who values data security. The use of TLC NAND flash memory strikes a good balance between performance, endurance, and cost. Compatibility is also a key selling point. The ORICO Industrial SSD is designed to work seamlessly with personal laptops, desktops, and even the PlayStation 5. For gamers, this means faster loading times and smoother gameplay. For content creators, it means quicker rendering and editing. And for everyday users, it means a more responsive and enjoyable computing experience. The advanced data security features provide peace of mind, knowing your data is protected against unexpected errors or failures. While we haven't put it through extreme industrial testing, the specifications and design suggest it can handle more than your average SSD. In conclusion, the ORICO 2TB Industrial SSD is a compelling option for those seeking a high-performance, reliable storage solution. Its fast speeds, robust construction, and broad compatibility make it a worthwhile upgrade for PCs and even the PS5. If you need a drive that can keep up with demanding workloads and provide long-term peace of mind, the ORICO Industrial SSD is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.